Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to manage the notification preferences for your OneDrive account using OneDrive Mobile. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not do it right now, it is quite easy. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Do check it out. Now let's simply look at how to manage the notification preferences. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to this button that is called as Me. It's at the bottom right corner of the screen, right next to Photos. Click on it right now. Then something like this will open up. As you can see, lots and lots of options. Do note, don't get confused. This button is not what we are looking for. Right now, we're looking for notification preferences. And in order to view that, what you guys have to do is simply go to Settings. Once you are in the Settings page, as you can see, once again, lots and lots of options. And just below this options thing, you can see a button like this that says Notification, Manage Notification Preferences. Click on it right now. Once you click on it, these options will open up. As you can see, here's My Drive account needs attention and all these things. Do you note that you can also manage email notifications right from here? Currently, I do not want the notifications, so I'm simply gonna toggle off this main button right here. And guys, that's it. That's how you manage your notification preferences. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.